WorldRemit Identity Verification Failed. Fix. If your WorldRemit account or transfer shows identity verification failed, do not worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. Step 1. Check the verification status. Log into WorldRemit and check your account or transfer status. Step 2. Review the reason for failure. Look for details such as blurry documents or mismatched information. Step 3. Prepare correct documents. Get valid ID and proof of address, making sure they match your account. Step 4. Resubmit your documents. Upload the corrected documents through the app or website. Step 5. Wait for verification approval. Verification usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Step 6. Contact WorldRemit support if needed. If issues continue, contact WorldRemit support for help. Pro tips: ensure your details match, submit high-quality documents, and don't edit them. And that's it. You now know how to fix a WorldRemit identity verification failed issue.